The Jackson Browns.
Say about these days, I'm seeing people changing, yeah, in the strangest ways. Even in the richer neighborhoods, you know, people don't know when they got it good. You know that at the ending, they've got it bad. Everything I did was just trying to be free, running up and down to the streets of my town with a fire inside me. My planet's old, retrograde, the best of all my plans got laid. You know I made breaks, some mistakes, at least not the ones that people think I made. And I'm a long way gone this wild road I'm on. It's gonna take me to where I'm bound. And it's a long, long, long way down. It's a little bit hard keeping track of what's going wrong. The covenant's unraveled and the news, it just rolls along. I could feel my memory letting go some 2 or 3 disasters ago. It's hard to tell what did more ill, the Citizens United or the Gulf oil spill. And I'm a long way gone down this wild road that I am on. It's gonna take me to where it is I'm bound. And it's a long way around. It's never been too hard to buy a gun. Now they sell a Glock 19 to just about anyone. The seas of tragedy are there. What we feel, we got the right to bear. To watch our children come to harm. They're in the safety of our arms. We all disagree. The passions burn. The heart goes out. And it's a long, long way gone down this wild road, you know that I'm on. It's gonna take me to where I'm bound. But it's a long